Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Please like, subscribe, help us out. Today we are doing some mobile blasting. The guys are going to a job site to do radiators, the old school radiators that are in older buildings. I think they're being refurbished, I'm not 100% sure. So they're gonna be blasting that. Not sure how long it is, but it is an hour and a half to 2 hours away from here. So I'm not sure if the other videos came out first where you found out we had compressor issues. We were able to figure it out. Two lines were crossed up on the, I don't know if it's an actuator or whatever it's called, the adjustment of the PSI. So two lines were just crossed, so I wouldn't get above 50 PSI. Besides that, we have videos coming out. Well, it depends on when this gets edited, to be honest with you. We have some steps that we're doing for a non-profit mobile veterinary. So we're gonna do it. And then we have a bike, or I don't think it's a bike, I think it's a little kid snow machine frame, and then steps. So, okay guys, please again, like, subscribe, watch to the end, and we'll see you in the next video.
Okay, so what are we doing today?
First job is sandblasting, I believe, radiators, like for the inside of houses.
So, like, steel, like the old stand-up ones?
Yeah, like the interior style, like standing boiler radiator kind of deals.
Oh, cool.
I believe so. I could be completely wrong. I just know I got told radiators, and that's where my mind goes.
Nice. So have you done radiators previously?
I've done a lot of cast iron stuff, not necessarily radiators. My father's done some radiators. I believe he's powder coated a few of them, so he sandblasted and powder coats them.
Yep.
This guy plans on just painting them and putting them back, so we won't be doing any of the powder coating stuff. And we'll go,
The detail work on these are gorgeous.
yeah, 3 of these are really nice. This one's really nice because it's so long, it's so freaking heavy. So it would be a huge thing to keep on. This one is also a really nice thing.
Yeah, some of these will come off a lot quicker than others. So these are like, I mean, once you get the paint going like this, that'll all come right off. Something like this one, it looks like the paint's a little more fresh and thick, so it might take a little more time than this.
These are pretty interesting. I like it. It's a good house.
It's beautiful.
Thank
We
you.
were just talking about how pretty it was.
We got it 6 years ago and been renovating it ever since.
Yeah.
This is our 5th house. My wife and I like the house, fix it up, we'll do another house, a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger.
Okay, so you were just talking about cranking up the media because the last radiator that we're working on has a rubber base paint.
Yep. Come over here, I'll show you. So with rubber, anything rubber or impact resistant, you lose some of your force. It absorbs the force. So this paint is more of a, like, I mean, I don't know how to, it's like a latexy, rubbery, it bends. If it flakes, it comes off like that. Almost less media is more because it allows you to cut and you ain't hitting the sand when it's bouncing back. But when you're dealing with something like this, that's very rubbery, it's, I mean, it's more is more. So more media, it just helps pull. But when it comes to this stuff, you almost, your glass, as it bounces off your material, it will absorb its own impact and it will, you know, stop you from blasting. But that there, like, it needs more. But yeah, so I'll end up cranking it up a little bit on that last bit. If you go too much, again, you'll almost stop yourself from blasting and you'll stop yourself from cutting because you'll be fighting the fact that there's media there. It's a lot more prominent when, like, we used to wet blast. When we would wet blast, you could really tell, because if you went too high on the media, the wet blast, it makes like a muddy paste, especially with rusty stuff. And that muddy paste would stick everywhere. And I mean, you'd be blasting the media as much as you were the actual thing you were blasting.